Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tradingview Neeraj Joshi. Open Tradingview, sign in, and load the Neeraj Joshi public workspace or his published indicators. Familiarize yourself with the chart layout, timeframes, and watch list so you know where signals appear. Adjust indicator inputs moderately and save a new layout to preserve changes. Practice on a demo chart first to learn the tool without risking real capital. Open an indicator panel and review each plotted line to understand its purpose in the system. Toggle visibility for components to see how trend and momentum interact across timeframes. Set alerts on clear crossovers or threshold breaks so you don't miss setups while multitasking. Use replay mode to backtest visually and note how many false signals appear under different market conditions before committing to live trading. Start by picking a baseline timeframe that fits your schedule and risk tolerance, then add Neeraj Joshi indicators for that horizon. Use a higher timeframe trend filter to align trades and enter on lower timeframe pullbacks or momentum shifts. Place stop losses beyond logical structure and size positions to risk a consistent percentage of your account. Keep a trading journal to log setups, outcomes, and adjustments for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.